If YouTube Playables is not showing up on your mobile device, I'm on an iPhone, there's a couple things that you can do here. So first, let's go through and go onto YouTube and go on that compass icon at the top left-hand corner. And this is going to bring up a bunch of options here for certain features that are on YouTube. And you should have an option here at the very bottom that says Playables. And this is just YouTube's own mobile games that it has preloaded on the app that you can go and play and use. But if you don't have this, one thing you want to do is make sure that your YouTube app is fully shut down and closed, just in case you're missing an update or you just want to restart the app. Another thing we could do is check for an update just in case you have an older version of YouTube. So let's go over to the App Store, and we're going to go ahead and type in YouTube. And hopefully you have an update from this point, but if you don't, there's another way that we can go ahead and update the app. Unfortunately, it just doesn't, a lot of apps won't update by themselves. You will have to go through and manually check for an update, or if something was released and it just wasn't updated just yet, this is a really good way to go and check. But if you don't have an update here, what we can do is come out of our App Store, go to your settings, and we're going to go into General, and we're going to go into iPhone storage, and then we're going to go find our YouTube app. So from here, what we're going to do here is force update the app. So go ahead and hit offload app, and we're going to go ahead and hit offload app. And what this is going to do is it's going to reduce your app size, get rid of back data and cache and things like that. But the most important thing it's going to do is reinstall the app. You won't get logged out, but it will force update iPhone to give you the newest version of YouTube that it can possibly have. So this is kind of the last resort as far as updating the YouTube app. So after that's done, we can come out of YouTube, and from this point forward, you should be able to go and check and see if you have that Playables option here on your YouTube app here, and it should be down there for you to use. Now, Playables have been around for a good couple of years now, so everyone should relatively have this option on their phone. And that's it. Hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.